Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus derivatives are actually super fast once you master the chain rule. We are going to solve this square root function derivative together right now.
Start by looking at our function as a composition of two parts. We have an outer square root and an inner quadratic expression, which is 3x squared plus 1.
Differentiate the outer square root first to get 1 over 2 times the root. Then we must multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is exactly 6x here.
Simplify by canceling the 2 from the denominator with the 6. This leaves 3x over the root, making option C our winner.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing signs, trust the given information, and check your steps for C.